Hey guys, on today's video, I'm taking a look at some free games right here on your PlayStation. So let's get started. You're gonna go into your PlayStation Store. In your PlayStation Store, just scroll down a little bit and go into this tab where it says Browse, or if you're looking for a specific game, go into Search. But I'm gonna teach you how to go into Browse and then do it from there. So go into your left-hand side, you guys are gonna see Sort, then Price, then Free, and then you're gonna see all the free games that you guys can download right now. And that's what we're looking for, free games. So if you scroll down, you should be able to find the game that you're looking for. So for example, we have this one right here. It is already in my library, but you guys can go ahead and download it, even if it's not. Same goes with this. We can download it. And this one right here, this one says free. So it should technically just say free, not in your library already, because it means that you have it in your library already. So you maybe had it before. And if you didn't find it, well, there you go. Right now, you guys know how to re-download it. If you guys didn't have it, such as this guy, didn't have this one, I can just download it. It should say free. It shouldn't say any prices. If you guys see any prices or anything about PlayStation Plus, then it's probably not free. If it says PlayStation Plus, maybe you need it to play online PlayStation Plus account, or maybe it requires PlayStation Plus to even download that game. So don't bother with the PlayStation Plus ones, since this video is more focused on free games. So right now we're gonna download this one as well. We're gonna go into the next one and download it. Obviously, only download whatever you guys need. Don't download everything I'm doing. Here's the PS5 version. If it doesn't give you an option for a PS5 version, there is no PS5 version, or you are just downloading the PS5 version and there's no PS4 version, for example. Regardless, this is the way to do it. Now, if you guys went crazy like me and started downloading everything you could and ran out of space, there's an easy way to stop this or clean up your downloads. So I'm going to teach you how to look at your downloads in a minute, but right now we're just going to download a few more, and then so we're going to download this one too, and this one, and then we're going to take a look at cleaning up your space. So download PS5 version. There we go. So it's going to download. Anything that doesn't download right now, don't worry about it. We're going to go on and take a look at it right now. So this is the last game that I'm downloading at the moment. So if you go into your PlayStation downloads, so let's just do one more actually. So down here below, Fallout. So we're just going to do this one. Add it. And then let's just go back. So we're going to go back in a second. Right now. And if we press our PlayStation button, down here below, you should see notifications. But besides that, down here, you're going to see downloads. And here we go. This is where you guys can clean that up. So I have this one. I can stop any download, or I can clean it up from here. So anything you guys want to stop, you guys can do it right now. So you can download whatever you guys want first, and then keep downloading the other stuff. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.